Hello. So, in this video, I actually want to teach people something that I wish I knew when I was starting online. Now, you may see a lot of people have websites. And you may be thinking to yourself, hey, I'd like one of those, but they're just too darn expensive. Well, I once thought that too, but I'm going to show you a genuinely free way. This is completely free, no joke. Like, you don't have to pay anything. There's no, like, future prices that will punch you. Except there is one method, or one different thing, that is including a domain for free, but that is your first year for free, and then you have to pay $9 afterwards. But I'm going to show you both ways in this video. So first of all, what you have to do is go to github.com. Now, github.com is where you can contribute on code, and you're going to want to go ahead and make an account. So I'm just going to use an email that I had laying around. I'm going to go ahead and verify this. We're going to pick a username. I don't know. There we go. That is the username, and we're going to pick a username which is a great... What's that? I have a great pass. And then go ahead and create an account. And we can kind of just go ahead and skip all that. And you're going to want to go ahead and verify the account. And I can do that by just, I'm on my second screen. And I'm going to, there we go, verify. Now, what you're going to want to do is go to your name. Go ahead and copy your name. Remember to copy your name. Go to repositories, click new. Paste in your name. Ignore that. .github.io. Okay? .github or .io. Okay? Keep that in mind. Then click create repository. Create new file and name it index.md, or you can do HTML if you want to do an HTML website, but I'm just going to show you the most easy way to set up. Now, .md stands for Markdown. Markdown is a very cool format, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Now, you can do the mastering Markdown just by looking it up, but H1, which is a header, is one hashtag or pound sign, and then hello, this is my site. And if you don't, because if you have a space, it will, there you go. Never mind. That is only if you have small text. Test. And I'm just going to test out every single one. So this is what it could look like. And then click commit new file. You see settings right here. Go ahead and go to settings. And go to pages. And as you can see, it is already published for you. And you can go to the site right now. See, and it is done. Has the site. And this can be your website. You can just stick with this forever. This is completely free, and you can have a website. You can paste this on different things like Twitter and different things, and you have a website. But let's say you want to get a little bit more advanced. Maybe you want a domain with your name. So you're going to want to go to Freenom. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. Freenom.com. And you're going to want to go to sign in. I know. And you need to have a Google account in order to do this, unfortunately. And then click sign in. But the account that I'm using is a Proton account, so I have to use my personal account. So go to services and register a new domain once you have made your account. and go ahead and paste in that name that you want. Or write down the name that you want. Could be your real name, whatever works. Then click check availability. And now this will go ahead and check if the domain's available. And look at that, it is. And you can go with .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf, and .gq. I'm going to go with .tk. It's checking to see if that domain is actually available in their system. It says selected. Go to checkout. And you see how it says 3 months. Give it a second and it will give you a box. There it is. And go ahead and select 12 months for free. This is free for 12 months. Wow. And then go ahead and click continue. Click I agree. It will complete the order, and there we go. You have registered your domain. Now go to your domains, and these are just ones I own because I wanted them, and they're like domains. And what you want to do is, you see this, their systems work very weird, so you cannot have wildcards, which is where it doesn't have www and it's just the domain. So how are we going to get around that? Well, go to cloud. Cloudflare.com. I know a lot of things to sign up for, but trust me, it will be worth it in the end. And we're going to create a Cloudflare account. And again, the password is So that is the password. Just to let you know, by the time that you get to try and log into these things, these accounts will already be gone. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to turn on two-step verification and keep this. Then click create account. And now this is where you get to the point where you need to put in your site's details, which is right here. It is, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever that is, but yes. That is our domain. Paste it in there. Okay, that only took a little time. Just keep that in mind. It might not show up at first, but keep trying. And you might be scared immediately when you see the Pro for $20 a month. I thought you said this was free. No. Don't mind these. Just click free and continue. It will do a quick scan of your DNS records. And while that's doing a scan for DNS records, go to Management Tools, Name Servers, and click Use Custom Name Servers. And give this a second to load up. I will come back when this is done. Okay, now it requires us to change the name servers. So we're going to go ahead and do that. That's the first name server. These will be different for you, I'm assuming, depending on when you make your account. If this is 5 years from now, yes, these have changed. Click Change Name Servers. And the name servers are changed. Go ahead and click Check Name Servers. I'll come back to you when this is done. Okay, it is officially done. And you see this quick start guide? We're going to go ahead and click Review Settings. You see where it says Improve Security? Keep that on. Click Save. It says Always Use HTTPS. That is a secure gateway to your website. Turn that on. That will make sure that you get this little lock right here. Click Save. Optimize Performance. You don't really need to do anything for this, guys. It is marked down. But I'm just going to click these all. Click Save. And just click Save. And finish. Now you are here. Now what you want to go do is go to DNS right next to Analytics, right here. Might be confusing. Oh, scary. Not that scary. Go back to GitHub, to the project. To the project that we were just on. and go ahead back to settings, pages, and you see this, go ahead and copy that. And what you're going to want to do is switch to CNAME, right by type, CNAME. And Shift and 2 will make an @ symbol. That is known as a wildcard. So it will be, this is what it will go to. Paste that in. What if people go to www? What will happen? Well, this will happen. If you go here, back to CNAME, and put www, and then put the target as, I don't know, right here, .tk, and save, that will redirect people here. Now we're almost finished. I'm sorry it's taking a while. Go to pages, custom domain, paste that in, and click save. And give it a second. It will say this, but just wait. Ready? Take this. Boom. You now have your very own website. But maybe you want to do more. Maybe you don't like the way it looks. It's too bland. Let's add some flavor to it then. Do you see where it says theme chooser? Click choose theme. They have a bunch of themes to choose from. You can change from Slade, Time Machine. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and choose Hacker. Click select theme. Now you're gonna have to give this a second because this will take a little. You see this little yellow thing? It needs to be a check mark. That means it has built the things on your page. Reload it, and there you go. It is a little less bland, but maybe you don't like this. Maybe you don't like this title. I wouldn't blame you. So you want to change it. Maybe you want it to be something interesting. Go to settings. Go to here and change it to my, or whatever you want. My cool site. And you can click rename. Now these will take a little time to complete changes. But eventually it should change to my cool site. And that is it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You don't even need to turn on the notification bell. Subscribe. Appreciate it though. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, put them down in the comments. I will try to respond to as many people as possible. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.